Hello everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Go 2 and we're going to be showing how to connect it to an iPhone. So let's unbox it. Here we have the lightning to headphone jack. This is what we're going to need, and we're also going to need a 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRRS microphone. This is to connect it to your iPhone. So let's unbox this real quick. I got this at Best Buy, and I bought the lightning adapter and the adapter cable from Amazon. If you guys want, I'll link it down in the description below. So let's unbox. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what comes in it. So here we go. We have this. We have that. And we have, I think, somewhere to store it with. I believe this is like a pouch to place the microphone. Yep. You see? Pretty spacious for the mics. Okay. That's pretty cool. And then we have the cables. Let's see. We have the quick start guide. Okay. And then we have this cable. This is to connect, I believe, to your camera. This is for your camera. The one that I bought from Amazon, that one is to connect to your iPhone. And then we have additional cords. I'm assuming they are for your camera as well. Ah, yeah, so it's, you could see, this is what it shows. That's what they're for. You can connect to your laptop to the wireless microphone. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 of those, which is pretty nice. So here we go. We should probably do it like this. There we go. Let me hold it. Ready? Voila. Okay. So it comes with this. The beads. Okay, it comes with some wind muffles. Comes with 3 of those. And here we go. Let's take them out one by one, guys. There's 1, 2. Does it not fit there? Or you know what? Let's slide it that way. I was sliding it the wrong way, guys. So this, we have the transmitter. So let's peel this off for you guys. Let's peel it off. Very nice, very nice. And the last one. There we go. So there's those 3. To put them right next to me so I could know to put that in the garbage. And then it also has these little tags. I think you just press that and it comes up. Yep, there we go. So there's 1. The rest don't have them, just that. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we're going to use our items that we got from Amazon, and we're going to plug them into my phone. So let me do that real quick. Let's open this up. Ooh. Nothing wants to open today for me. Oh, okay, no wonder why that was there. There was a little pull tab that I just needed to pull. Here we go. Here we have it. There's instructions in here, but we already know how to use them. And we know what they're for. So let's get this out real quick. Let's pop it out. There we go. Let's put the garbage right here. And then let's grab our adapter cable. Let's open it up. This is the one I got. This is the one from Amazon, the best choice one, I think. Or the bestseller one. This is not the Rode one. I decided to go the cheaper route to see how it works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I have to buy the actual Rode one. So let's see. Okay, so we're getting it open. Okay, we have it open, guys. This is it. Let me grab my cellular device. Okay, so now that I have my cellular device, I'm going to be connecting it to here. So what I'm going to do is have it set up already. So I believe I connect this, the 3-ring one, to here. And then I connect this to the wireless Go mic right here. And then I connect the lightning cable to my phone. So let me set up the Rode real quick. Hopefully it has battery and charge. Hopefully it's charged up so then I could use it. So let's get 1 and 1. I believe you hold this down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got here. Okay, so this one is number 1, the other one is number 2. So I need to take this off from number 2 because we're only going to be using 1 to demonstrate. So let's put that in here. Let's plug it in. So hopefully we're able to get audio from here. I don't know yet, so let's... Oh, you know what? I put the wrong thing. This is supposed to be in here. My bad. Okay, so I have the audio now from here. So now I'm gonna place it on my shirt. Let me connect it to my shirt. Okay, so now we have the Rode mic on here. And now let me do a comparison from the audio from my phone to the screen. So let me add this real quick. So I just put the wireless Go Rode mic on. I connected it with the cable to my iPhone. This is how it sounds. Let me know if there's a difference between the Rode Wireless Go or between the Yeti microphone. I'm using the Yeti microphone, and so I just put the wireless Go Rode mic on. I connected it with the cable to my iPhone. This is how it sounds. Let me know if there's a difference between the Rode Wireless Go or between the Yeti microphone. I'm using the Yeti microphone. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button and we'll come back with another video.